Hey, it's Cyrus, and welcome to this mega magic midday recharge meditation to get you from hitting that wall to totally charged up and rested in a jiff in a matter of minutes. So go ahead and find something to lie down on, like a couch or a bed or a soft surface, and find a nice shavasana with your arms out by your side, your legs straight out, comfortably resting. And settle in. Without further ado, you've got things to do, so let's take that break and really recharge you. Take a deep, slow breath in, and slowly let it go out through the mouth like you're breathing out through a straw. And a little bit deeper this time. Breathe all the way down to the toes, and let it flow, let it go out through the mouth. Last one, deepest one, fill up your body gently like a balloon, almost to the pressure point of popping, but not quite, and then slowly decompress. Let the air out of the balloon. And now feel yourself sinking into the surface that's holding you. Don't try to hold your muscles up. Let the support do that for you as you feel yourself melt pleasantly into the surface that's cradling you. Start to notice anything you're feeling. Is it stress or overwhelm, anxiety, whatever it happens to be? Don't analyze it or judge it. Just notice as energy in your body, and notice how as you relax your muscles, you can allow it to start to flow through you like a wave as it starts to move out of your body like it wants to do. But the first step is to just allow it to exist, to not try to suppress it if it feels safe enough to do so in this moment. Just let it start to move and observe the sensations coursing through your body with curiosity. Notice what happens as you release a layer of resistance or control and simply allow the currents of energy and chi to move through freely. Feel yourself holding what you feel in a space of compassion for a moment. Like, yeah, this is how I'm feeling. That's okay. Just watching it as it moves through the body. Notice how it was like tightly packed sand in your body, and now you're just bringing an illumined magnifying glass, and it starts to break up the sand and loosen it. And now imagine like there's a cosmic vacuum cleaner, and it's just gently sucking up all the old stale energy from your body up into the cosmos, into space that surrounds you, that can easily inhale all that old energy for you, and feel yourself simply relaxing and letting it go into this cosmic vacuum as you feel yourself become lighter and lighter, more spacious with every moment that you hand over the old energy. And in that space of lightness, start to breathe in a sense of quiet restfulness. Allow your body to start to recharge in a restful state, but your mind to stay awake as we shake and bake our attention our way through the body with our mental spotlight, bringing the attention to the third eye, the spot between the eyebrows, and migrating down to the nose, feeling the to and fro of the air as it goes in and out of the nostrils in a delicate way. Feel the attention trickle down towards the jaw and the lips, the sensations within the mouth. And notice the quiet aliveness, the chi, the life energy as it moves to your neck, feeling the front of your neck. And tracking that quiet aliveness as it contours across your collarbones and towards your shoulders, hopscotching down towards your elbows and your wrists. Feel the subtle life in the palms of your hands and the tingling in your fingers. And double back towards your forearms now, as you feel the attention rising into the upper arms. Feel it wash like a wave and cascade into your chest, and drip down towards your upper back. Feel it move into your lower back and rise up into your belly. Feel the hips, the pelvis, the glutes, the hamstrings. Bringing a single pointed attention to your quads on the front of your thighs. Noticing the simplicity of your knees, your shin bones, moving to the calf muscles, dropping to the ankles. Feeling the river of energy moving into your heels, the soles of your feet, the tops of your feet, and the toes. Give your toes a little wiggle if you feel so inclined, and feel that life energy ripple back through the feet like a wave through your legs, expanding your awareness into your torso, into your arms and hands and fingers, into your neck and your head. Feeling your body head to toe with an expanded spotlight of attention now, not trying too hard, but in a relaxed and mentally agile way, just feeling the sensations alive, head to toe, with each breath. Feel yourself take a deeper breath and a longer, slower exhale of relief as you allow your system to relax deeper, your muscles to unwind more fully and effortlessly, and keep your mind awake and alert in a calm, clear way as you feel your body deeply resting and recharging in that relaxed state. Deeply relaxed in the body, calm and alert in your mind. Feel and imagine every part of you, every cell of your body and being recharging at the deepest levels as you gently hold yourself in this state of deep relaxation and alert awareness. Start to feel the energy radiating gently, head to toe and a little bit outside of your body, like a pleasant aura, a surplus of overflowing energy that's gradually starting to build in quiet, pleasant intensity, head to toe and all around you. Feel yourself connected to all the space around you now, as with your eyes closed and your body still, you sense your body and the space all around, infinitely in every direction, just floating, relaxed and connected to space, not thinking, but sensing the space. And now start to visualize yourself taking on your next task or creative project or enjoyable activity with a sense of relaxed, energized clarity and enjoyment, seeing and feeling that now in your body and mind. And just gently gather your attention back towards your body, back towards the present moment. Maybe wiggling your fingers or toes and gradually waking up your body, returning at your pace, taking it one moment at a time and finding a natural rhythm as you return to your day with a relaxed, energetic refreshment. And be sure to repeat this on a daily basis to use the power of your mind and body to refresh for the second part of your day instead of a cup of coffee or whatever you might normally do. Here's an invitation to continue this practice. And I thank you for taking this time for yourself today. I would love to hear how this was for you, and I wish you an incredible day.